So yesterday I was at the photography show. Absolutely fantastic day. I got to meet some great people. I met up with mate Glyn Lewis. I finally got to meet Brian Dukes, and surprisingly, when I was just walking by, I bumped into Frank Dorhoff, which was absolutely amazing. I geeked out like a little fanboy. I didn't get no footage because I was geeking out so much, unfortunately, but absolutely fantastic day. I managed to reach out to a couple of manufacturers who seem like they're quite interested in working with me along with this YouTube channel, which is great news. So we'll see how that works out. But the following footage, I'm going to just put up some highlights of the day. And if you haven't been to the photography show, then I highly recommend you go. It happens once a year at the N.E.C. Birmingham in the UK. Fantastic day. Anyway, check out the highlights. So here we go, we are here at the photography show in Birmingham, N.E.C. We are looking forward to seeing some of the latest gear here. They got everything here, Canon, Nikon, Sony, all here. I'm looking forward to going to the Laura store. I want to see their new macro lens. Let's go. That is a nice lens, a very nice lens. Got the Laura store over there. Yeah. So it's 2:30 and we are just waiting for Glyn's talk so we can meet up with Glyn and give him some trouble. We are hunting down the lesser spotted Lewis. See if we can find him.
Well, it is, you know what I mean? But it is.
So there you have it. That was the highlights for the photography show 2018. I absolutely loved it. I can't wait till next year. And until then, we need to get a lot done before then on this channel. But until then, my name is Stewart Wood. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you on the next one.